So I will never ask you to do anything impossible, but I will make you do something very hard, followed by something very hard, followed immediately by something very hard, day after day after day for 8 straight months. And that sounds like a lot to get from now to 8 months from now, but don't think about it that way. That is not how you achieve a long-term goal. Do it like this. Wake up in the morning on time. Make your bed the right way. Brush your teeth. Little victories. Make it to the 5 a.m. workout on time, and as we're beating your ass, do not think about the pain. Concentrate on your next goal, breakfast. After breakfast, make it to lunch. After lunch, make it to dinner. After dinner, do everything you need to do to get back inside that perfectly made bed, and because you took the time in the morning to make your bed the right way, regardless of how bad today was, and it will be bad, tomorrow is a new day, it's a clean slate and a fresh start. And when you feel like quitting, which you will, do not quit right now. That's emotion. Quit tomorrow. You keep doing that in that time, because I'll never ask you to do anything impossible. All you need to do to get from now to graduation day is not do one thing. No matter what, never quit. You'll be fine.